Hello and welcome to English with Altaf. Today we are going to talk about something very exciting. How to understand English in just 30 days. Many learners feel nervous when they hear this idea, but don't worry. In this video, we will show you step by step what you can do to make real progress in 1 month.
That's right, learning a language can take time, but if you follow the right plan and keep your focus, 30 days is enough to build a strong foundation. We are going to guide you with clear examples, simple methods, and easy tips that anyone can follow. By the end of this lesson, you will feel more confident about how to use your time and how to practice English daily.
Let's start with the first thing. In order to understand English in 30 days, you must spend time with the language every single day. Even if it's just 20 to 30 minutes, daily practice makes your brain active. The more you hear and read English, the more natural it feels. Imagine it like watering a plant. If you give it water daily, it grows. If you forget for many days, it becomes weak. The same rule applies to your learning.
I completely agree. And when we say daily practice, it does not mean you need big textbooks or boring lessons. In fact, the easiest way is to combine learning with your daily life. Listen to short English podcasts while walking, watch a small English video clip with subtitles, or read a short article about something you like. If you are a cricket fan, read cricket news in English. If you love cooking, follow a recipe in English. By linking English with your interests, you will learn much faster.
That's a very good point. Now let's talk about listening skills because understanding English starts with listening. Many learners want to speak, but if they don't understand what others say, conversation becomes difficult. So in the first week of your 30-day plan, focus on listening. Choose easy materials like children's stories, simple YouTube videos, or short dialogues. Listen carefully, pause, repeat, and try to catch the rhythm of the words.
Yes, listening is the key. When I started learning another language, I spent more time listening than speaking. I noticed that my brain began to recognize common phrases like, how are you? Or what do you think? Without memorizing grammar rules, I was able to understand these patterns naturally. So I recommend spending at least 15 minutes daily just on listening practice.
After listening, the next important step is speaking. Many learners feel shy or afraid of making mistakes. But remember, children learn by speaking first, and they make mistakes all the time. In the second week of your 30-day journey, you must practice speaking daily. You don't always need a partner. You can practice speaking to yourself in front of a mirror, or you can record your voice and listen again. This way, you hear how you sound and can improve.
That's true. And if you have a friend who is also learning English, you can make a daily rule to speak for at least 10 minutes only in English. It may feel strange at first, but after a few days, it becomes natural. Another great method is shadowing. Listen to a short English sentence and immediately repeat it aloud, trying to copy the pronunciation and intonation. This makes your speaking more fluent and closer to native style.
Now let's talk about reading. Reading is very powerful for vocabulary and understanding sentence structure. In the third week of your 30-day plan, focus more on reading. Start with simple texts like graded readers, short news stories, or even English subtitles while watching movies. Reading helps you see new words in context, which is much better than memorizing word lists.
Exactly. And while reading, keep a small notebook. Write down only the most useful words or phrases, not every single word. For example, if you see make a decision, write it down as a phrase instead of learning make and decision separately. Later, review your notebook daily. These small steps build your vocabulary in a natural way.
Along with reading comes writing. Writing makes you think in English. In the fourth week of your plan, begin to write a little every day. It doesn't have to be long or difficult. You can write about what you did today, your goals, or even your thoughts about a movie you watched. The key is to express yourself in English regularly.
Yes, writing also helps you notice your mistakes. When you write something, try reading it again the next day. You may find small errors that you can correct yourself. If possible, share your writing with a teacher or a friend who can give you feedback. Slowly, your sentences will become clearer and more accurate.
Now let's put all of this together. To understand English in 30 days, you must build a routine. In week 1, focus more on listening. In week 2, increase your speaking practice. In week 3, add reading. In week 4, write daily. Each skill supports the other, and by the end of 30 days, you will feel a big difference.
That's a very practical plan. But we should also talk about motivation. Sometimes learners feel very excited on the first day, but after 1 week, they lose energy. To avoid this, set small goals. For example, your goal for the day could be, I will listen to 5 minutes of an English story, or I will learn 3 new phrases today. Small goals are easier to achieve and give you a sense of success.
I like that idea. Motivation is the fuel that keeps you moving. Another way to stay motivated is to track your progress. Keep a calendar and mark each day you practiced English. After 30 days, you will see a whole month filled with effort, and that will make you proud.
And remember, mistakes are part of learning. If you wait for the perfect moment or perfect grammar, you will never start. Accept your mistakes, learn from them, and move on. Every mistake is proof that you are trying, and trying is the real success.
So, to sum up, the secret to understanding English in 30 days is daily practice. Balanced focus on listening, speaking, reading, and writing, and keeping your motivation high with small goals. It may not make you a perfect speaker in 1 month, but it will give you the strong base you need to continue learning.
That's right. In this video, we learned how to build a 30-day plan for English. We discussed listening practice in the first week, speaking in the second, reading in the third, and writing in the fourth. We also talked about linking English to your daily life, shadowing, using notebooks, and staying motivated with small goals.
And that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope you now have a clear idea of how to understand English in 30 days. Keep practicing every day, stay motivated, and remember learning English is a journey. And every step you take makes you stronger.
Yes, thank you for watching English with Altaf. Keep learning, keep practicing, and we will see you in the next video with more easy and helpful lessons.